Okay, for the last bit, we're gonna UV unwrap the top. The bottom is probably correct, but the top needs some work. Now I got a problem. I really want to isolate these UVs, so I want to get rid of the barrel. Once I make this invisible, the H, my whole object disappears because it's a group. Now, the way to fix this is go into the hypergraph hierarchy and just middle mouse click and unlock polysurface 2, which is my top, and get rid of that. Now I can actually work on the top. You can tell that it's all screwed up here. Let's first put some cubic projection on it and scale this down. Now you see all these little UVs here. That's from the little rim inside. Let's move this down to here, and hang on, and I'll just move it in here. Now I'm going to select a few faces. These are all the UVs from the polygons on the inside of the hole, and I'm just going to give it a cylindrical projection. Now that makes these things huge, and they're all highlighted in red. That's because I flicked on this icon here, toggle shaded UV display. Now this means that they're inversed, which is bad. I'm just going to scale the suckers down with the R, and select these UVs. I can flip them. There's flip commands here, but I can also just move the UVs down like this, and then that takes care of the problem. Now they need to be really small. So I have to hang on. Select all the UVs and scale them down. I'm going to press the W. Yeah, it's way too big still. They're taking up a very small portion of the UV texture. Something like this. Okay, now last thing we need to do is actually close the editor and just select these three objects and make them into a single mesh. The way to do that is to use the combine tool. Now you can tell that it's got all these histories still going on. Hang on. Let's get rid of these. Control Alt D, and it's gone. Now I got my UV unwrapped object, and I can actually go into Photoshop and make my hand painted texture.